Hi there, we have another fun baking activity, and this one is baking in the bathtub. So we are doing measurement. We just did cups, and I put them in the bath, and we talked about 1 cup, half a cup, 1/4 of a cup, 1/3, and how many of those would take to fill the whole big 1 cup. So, ready? Get your 1 big cup. Ready? Now, we need 2 of these, right? 2 halves. Oh, those are what? Those are 4. So we need how many of those?
4.
Let's try it. 1.
2.
Keep going. 3.
4.
There you go, see? 4 of those.
He's loving.
And so it depends on their ages. You can talk about the fractions. You can talk about just how many of the little cups it would take to fill the big cup. Or if they're really young and not even ready for that, just let them pretend to play, pretend them to bake and measure out flour and oil and all those things just for dramatic play. So we hope you have fun baking in the bathtub. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us on howtomama.net, How to Mama, our Facebook group.